In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 trends that you should be keeping your eye on for the rest of 2022. Coming up next. With all the changes that we're seeing on national and international levels, you could expect the real estate industry to show some reaction. Of course, nobody knows what's going to happen next, but if you aren't keeping track of these trends, you might just miss out on some great opportunities or find yourself on the wrong end of some big losses. I want to welcome all you new members to the channel. I'm Joe Homs. I have over 40 years of experience as a broker, investor, and mentor. I made this channel for you, the new and experienced investor, those looking to create the life they've always wanted through real estate. Make sure to share this video far and wide so your investor friends can keep an eye on what's coming. Number 1, landlords are really being forced to sell. If they're not getting any income in because the renters aren't paying, because of COVID, because of the local government, whatever it is, there's only so long that they can hang on before they're actually forced to sell their property and their investment. So this is great for flippers and wholesalers, so be aware of those situations. Number 2, the Fed is set to raise interest rates, and this is always a concern, especially if you're an end buyer. If you're a flipper or you have enough money to purchase the house in cash, it's not a concern, but it is a concern if you're a buyer buying that property to live in at the end of the day. Number 3, rising inflation, and this can benefit sellers tremendously. As the market goes up, they're coming back into the market to sell. And this is a great advantage for you wholesalers and flippers out there to buy these distressed properties, go in, fix them up, and as inflation continues, make lots of money from them. While some of these trends might be concerning, don't worry. If you're willing to roll with whatever happens, every situation will be full of opportunities. Whether it's advancing technology, increasing inflation, or an economic downturn, you can find a way to come out on top if you keep up with the correct information, insights, and resources. If you're new to investing, click on this video right here. I do a walkthrough of a mobile home that I partnered with a student on. You won't believe how much we made. As always, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help.